Hey folks, it's Margie Roy at 3dcuts.com, and I am going to show you how to make my envelope that goes with my zigzag cards. I've made a number of zigzag cards. This is the gingerbread version, and all of these will fit into this particular envelope. Here is my sunflowers and my daisies. Every one of these will use this same envelope file. You can also use a 6x9 booklet envelope available from Amazon. There's a link at my website, but some people would like to make a special envelope to go with this very special card. This way you can use a higher grade paper. So this is the file. The file comes in three formats. It comes without any score lines if you want to use a scoring board. It comes with a dotted score line if you want to fold it. And it comes with cut lines here if your machine can do scoring. My machine can't do scoring, so I've cut it without any cut lines at all because I want to use a scoring board. This is my Martha Stewart scoring board. And I will use that to create the fold lines in this particular envelope. I line it up here square, and I want a fold line here at the top. I want a fold line right from this corner down. Bottom seam, and the left side. Okay. Take those four edges and fold them in. Take your bone folder and give them a good crease. This will be the front cover to go on it. It is going to get glued on these three sides, so I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to use score tape for this application here. And I'm going to put a little bit along the top of this fold as well. I have learned that the card will get stuck on it sliding in if I don't do that. So here we go. Peel off all the score tape on all locations. And align the sticky side down here at the bottom. Just an 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch in. And up you go. And there we have an envelope that any one of these cards would slide easily into and make a special gift. There you go. This envelope works with all of my zigzag cards, including the Haunted Village, the Sunflowers, the Daisies, the Valentines, the Tulips, and the Christmas Villages as well. How many of them have you made? Happy crafting, everyone, and thanks for watching.